What is up, guys? Just a quick little video before we get back to the actual video that you're supposed to be watching today of the Airsoft. I just want to say it was a fun day today playing at Desert Warrior, which is where we have the Nuketown. It's one of my favorite maps because I've been playing Nuketown since Black Ops. Like, who doesn't remember what Nuketown is? Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. I'm trying out new things. I'm gonna get more cameras, more action going on, so I can get better quality for you guys, and I can get more content from different angles, not just from me playing personally. And anyways, I know you guys are anxious to watch that video now, so remember to like and subscribe for more awesome content coming up. I'm going up. There's a guy in the front door at the bottom of the right side. He's the one shooting up here. I got one on top. Oh shit. Watch out, because I see one on the ambulance in the way back on your right side. He's like way in the back. And he's running steel too, so he could probably reach us all the way over here. You see anyone up there? He's one of ours. He's good. Sorry. Oh, you're good. Keep it good. Huh? The guy who was behind. Shit, no. Bang, 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 bang! Oh shit! Oh shit! Is he moving? Oh shit! Yellow bus, watch your back. Oh shit! I'm hit. I'm gonna get my rifle.